In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull financial statements in Xero in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process, making sure you can tackle this task with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software account. Head over to their official website and click on the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Once there, enter your email address and password. Remember, keeping your login credentials safe is crucial to protect your data. After inputting your details, click on Login again, and you should be directed straight to your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Accounting section. You'll find this option easily on the menu bar. This area is essentially the hub for all your financial reports, so it'll be your go-to section for this task. Clicking on Accounting will reveal more options. Now from the drop-down menu, you need to select Reports. This will lead you to a page where all available financial reports are displayed. Under the financial statements section, you can view a variety of reports such as the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and more. You'll want to select the report that suits your current needs. For our demonstration, let's go with the balance sheet. Clicking on the balance sheet opens the report, giving you an overview of your company's financial position. Before proceeding, it's wise to set an appropriate date range for your report. This feature allows you to tailor the statement to specific timeframes, which is particularly useful for quarterly or annual reviews. Alternatively, if you need to conduct a comparative analysis, you can utilize the Compare With option to see changes over time. Once you have adjusted the date ranges or made any necessary comparative selections, click on Update. This action prompts Xero to refresh the report, ensuring that all data is current and reflects the time period you've specified. To wrap things up, you have a couple of final options. If you anticipate needing this report frequently, you might want to click on Save As to store this report set up for future use. This saves you from setting the same parameters repeatedly. Alternatively, if you need to share the report with your team or clients, you can click on Export. This lets you download the report in various formats such as PDF or Excel, offering flexibility depending on how you wish to use or present the data. With these steps complete, you've successfully pulled a financial statement from Xero. This quick and efficient process ensures you have accurate and timely financial insights at your fingertips. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful.